In this video, I will show you how to download videos in Kling AI. First, open your Kling AI app. On the home screen, scroll down until you see the Videos section. Then tap on it to open. Here you will find a collection of videos you can explore. Take your time scrolling through until you find the one that you'd like to save. Once you've chosen a video, tap on it to open. At the bottom right corner of the screen, you will see the Share button. Go ahead and tap that. From the options that appear, tap on Download. Just select the format you prefer, and the download will begin. After a few moments, your video will be saved directly to your device, ready for you to view, share, or even set as your wallpaper. And that's how to download videos in Kling AI.